Is it a toy or a teaching tool? Magpia for natural education while playing enjoyably. While attaching pretty varicolored characters, learn alphabets to improve linguistic ability and confidence markedly. It contains more characters that are used more often. Study characters easily and interestingly. Ease of tidying up by putting the pieces into the box after the play. Pieces will not be smudged or ripped, even if they come in contact with water or beverages. Nurture the sense of accomplishment and confidence of children with Magpia magnetic letters. As you attach the pieces, nurture creativity markedly. Child grows. Thoughts grow. Magpia.